Today, we show you how to program your coffee machine. Every great coffee starts with a simple recipe. For espresso, the recipe we're using is a dose of 20 grams, a yield of 40 grams, and a time of 30 seconds. Prepare a 20-gram dose in your portafilter. If you haven't already, check out our video, How to Perfect Your Barista Technique. Place a cup on your scales under the group head you wish to program and tare to 0. Always start programming with your master group head. Hold down the manual or program stop button until it starts flashing. Then press the brew button you'd like to program. As the espresso pours, keep an eye on the scales. When you reach around 36 to 37 grams, press the same button again to stop the shot. You're aiming to finish close to 40 grams, allowing for the last few drips. We allow a plus or minus 3 gram tolerance. To save the setting, press the manual or program stop button again. Your machine is now programmed. When your programming is locked in and your recipe is consistent, you're setting yourself up for great tasting espresso every time. If there's anything we can help with, let us know. And if you're ever nearby, drop in and say hi. We'd love to see you.